Hello, today's video is different than before. Today I'm gonna show you how to bake a cake with easy steps. So I will give you the presentation. So on PowerPoint I will give you the ingredients and the recipe of the cake along with easy steps. So hope you will bake this cake at home very easily and enjoy with family. So here is the recipe of perfecto cake. This is yellow lemon cake. Its ingredients are Maida 1 cup, this one, baking powder 1 teaspoon, oil half cup, baking soda half teaspoon, and pinch of salt. Dry milk 2 tablespoons, 3 eggs, castor sugar 3/4 cup, 1 lemon zest, grated lemon skin, 1 lemon juice, few drops of yellow food color. Recipe is Step 1. It has the 2 steps. One step is sieve 2 to 3 times Maida plus dry milk plus baking powder, like this, and then beat 3/4 cup sugar plus 3 egg and make fluffy, like this. Add lemon juice plus lemon zest plus salt plus yellow food color plus step 1. It will be like this. The batter will be like this. Mix it with spatula. Now oil the cake pan and sprinkle Maida. Pour the batter in pan and tap it 2 to 3 times to remove the bubbles. Then put the pan in preheated oven at 180 degrees C or gas mark 4 to 5 for 40 to 50 minutes. If you want to bake a cake in wok, put a stand in preheated wok and then put cake pan on it. Then cover it with lid for 35 to 45 minutes. Cake will be baked in this way also. So I have showed you the 2 methods. One is in oven and other is in wok. So enjoy this cake